Hello everyone, Larry with Larry the Computer Guy here. We're an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan. We specialize in cybersecurity and HIPAA compliance. Today's tip: what is the dark web? The dark web is an area on the internet where you need a special browser to visit it. This is an area where hackers and bad people can hide and do bad things. You will find organized crime. The bad guys have a community where they can sell each other information as well as trade information. You can purchase anything here like drugs, guns. This is an area where when they steal your data, they will sell it to the highest bidder here. There are many forums here for that purpose. There are forums like ID theft forums, there's hacking forums. Anything that can be used to gather your information can be found on the dark web. So it's important that you have dark web scans run daily to protect your business. These scans will alert us to what information is being traded and if your information is indeed being traded on the dark web. Contact your IT company and ask them if they run a dark web scan daily. If not, please contact us and we will run a scan for free. Please click on the subscribe button. Please give us a thumbs up and leave your comments below. Please follow the government's recommendations on social gathering. Stay safe out there.